Hi, this is Robin. I'm thinking you might need some help on how to upload photographs onto a discussion board. So that's what I'm going to show you right now. Okay, so here's the discussion. Here are the questions for this particular discussion, right? And I just wanted to show you this as well. Instead of just typing straight into the box on the discussion, I like to write it in a separate piece of paper and then just copy and paste it. And let me show you how that works. So here's I've already answered these questions. I've already, fixed whatever might be wrong with them in terms of grammar and editing. Okay, so I'm all ready to go. And here's the box. And I'm just going to click on there and paste it. All right, so I have the answers to the questions, but now I want to do the uploading of the photographs. So look up here on this second row on this line of different things that you can do on this particular box. Here's one. It's called Embed Image. It has like a little mountain right there. So you click on that. And what it's looking for is where you're going to get the images from. Am I going to get it from a website, from a URL? Nope. I'm not going to get it from Flickr. You might want to do that, but mine are not on Flickr. Okay, so I'm going to click on Canvas. I want to put those photographs into my Canvas files. And here's my course files. Here are my files. And yeah, they're not there. So I need to come down. Oops, there you go. Right underneath all of my files over here, it says upload file. And that's what I want to do. I'm going to click on that. Click on that. It will take me to my desktop. Here's my photographs. I had my photographs all ready to go on my desktop. So I had already taken the photographs. I already had put them on my desktop, so I'm ready to go. There, I click on the first drawing. This particular discussion has 4 drawings that I need to upload. So I click on the first one and I click open. And it's going to say, oh, success, file uploaded. And now I want to come down here and say update. And now you'll see, oh, there it is. But I'm not done. I got to do another one. So I'm going to come up to that bar at the top again and go back to the second row and click on the one that says embed image. There it is. Do everything all over again. Go to my files. And now it says, what do you want to do? You want to upload? Yes, I do. There I go. Upload. Now it's showing my desktop again. Here I go for my second drawing. Open. Success. File uploaded. Let's see. Update. There it is. Oh, one more. I'm just going to show you it all 4 times just in case. Just so you get the practice of it. Okay, so now I'm going to go back up to this top bar, go to embed image. Go to Canvas again, and my files. Yep, nope, that new one isn't there. Upload file. Go to the third one on my list, open it. Yeah, it says success, uploaded. And I'm going to go to update. There it is. One more to go. I'm going to click this over to the other side just because that way it lines up a little easier. Now I gotta do it all over again. Go up to the embed, go to Canvas, go to my files, oops, come down here to upload file, go to my last drawing that I have on my desktop, open it. Oh, more success. Update. Okay, now it should all be there. So now let me scroll. I'm going to scroll up. There's 1 drawing, 2 drawing, 3 drawing, 4 drawing. There's my words. Ready, all done, right? And now when I've got all of that done, now I can just come over here, which I'm not sure you can see it because I think I'm in the way, and say post reply. And that's how you do it. I hope that helps.